Yo, what's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back. Hopefully I can go to Chicago and Port and give y'all an early review, man. And also, in today I will be going to take these Gucci wannabe joints, man, back to the store, man. I gotta find this goddamn. Yep, there go the receipt. Taking these joints back to Nike. Don't want them. Get out of here. I gotta clean up. I have to clean up my shoe room, man. As y'all can see, man, it's shit everywhere, man. This is like from a video that ain't even uploaded yet. I got new pickups of Funko Pops and shit, man, but I need to really do some organizing. Seriously. So yeah, man, let's get today started, man. Got my millions head on, man. Shout out to bro, gang. Let's go. Yeah, man, just got to Chicago Emporium, man. First stop of the day, man. Just got to Chicago Emporium, like I said. So finna go in here. Let me zip my coat up, man. It's cold out there. Finna zip my coat up, man. See what's in here. Let's get it. Yeah, man. So here y'all go. Y'all got these atmosphere gray 13s, man. In close in hand. You know, they real clean, man. It's not, you know, it ain't too much to them. You know, they dope. They dope, I ain't gonna lie. They not like instant cop dope. They like sale dope. But they got them at Chicago Emporium, man. Yeah, I'll go to Jordan right there. Flip it back, you got the Roman numeral 13. If I can get it. Roman numeral 13 behind them. I don't know if these little gray specs is 3M or not. And how much y'all got these going for? 250 for men's sizes and down outlets. 200. So early. These is about like 2-3 weeks early, ain't they? Yeah. Yeah. So men sizes they going for 250, 8.5, 11, 11.5, 11.5, 12, 10s, 9.5. Whole bunch of 9.5 and 9s. 250 early. They about 2-3 weeks early, man. So go ahead, cop up. GS pairs, they going for 200. These is about 2-3 weeks early. What about the babies? $80. $80. Toddlers, $80. You feel me? They got the baby. They got the whole family set right here. $80 hollers for the babies. GS's are 200. Get the whole family right. I don't see the bottom pad. Y'all have the little black, little dark gray, little bubble right there. Red Jumpman, little carbon fiber plates. You got the Panther part at the bottom, white paws, white pads, little black outline. Suede on these is decent, kind of a little rough feel, but it ain't bad. Decent little feel. Y'all know the 13s got that tumble looking leather. You feel me? Got the holographic little bubble right there, little panther eye, whatever. Got the Jumpman 23 on the inside. Let me see, can I see that? They got a red Jumpman in the inside of that. Red Jumpman. And go to tag. They clean, man. They ain't bad. They remind me of like the He Got Game 13s. Like the leather that's on the He Got Game 13s. You got the black Jumpman right there. Black sock liner. $250. They about 2-3 weeks early, man. Go ahead, come to Chicago Emporium, get straight. You and the whole family. They got hella pairs on deck, man. Cop up for the early. Got the white midsole. You got the gray suede coming right here on the midsole as well. All the way around. You got that gray suede. So come here, get straight. Got the GS pairs, man. They didn't really go too different with these. Same as the adult sizes. See, you flip that back, you got the Roman numeral 13 right there. Holographic little bubble or panther eye, whatever you want to call it. Right there. Smoked out little gray bubble. You know, not too different. Same with this. Got a little bubble, little panther eye right there. On a baby size, you don't have a little smoked out. You got a black little circle red jump man right there. Y'all come here, get straight for the whole family. These are all the 13s. They cooked on these 13s, boy. So $250, $280. Y'all go, man. Gang, gang.